Jackson. Oh my gosh. He looks smaller in person. Oh my gosh. I just killed the security guard. He's the only one that can help. I don't know what to do. Maybe I should go to the magic ball. I'll treat you like a baby, Michael Jackson.